Heart. Heart is the center of circulatory system. It is cone-shaped hollow muscular organ. The size of the heart is approximately the size of the fist of the owner. It measures about 12 cm in length and 9 cm in breadth. The average weight of heart is about 300 gram in adults. The detailed structure of the heart can be studied in two headings. They are external morphology of heart and internal morphology of heart. External morphology of heart. The heart is a three-dimensional conical muscular organ. It contracts and relaxes rhythmically. Its morphology can be best studied by having either a model or an actual date from a dead animal. It is a pumping organ of the body that makes the blood flow through the arteries. It is located between two lungs in the center of the chest. The two-third part of the heart is located towards the left. Heart is covered by a double layer membrane. The double layer membranous structure that cover pericardium. The two layers of pericardium are close to each other, forming a gap called pericardial cavity. The pericardial cavity contains a fluid in a pericardial cavity is called the pericardial fluid. Pericardial fluid makes the heartbeat smooth. It also prevents the heart from mechanical shock. The heart has hair-like blood vessels seen externally. These blood vessels are called coronary blood vessels. They carry blood towards and away from its own tissues. Coronary blood vessels are two types. They are coronary arteries and coronary vein. Coronary artery carry oxygenated blood to the heart tissue, and coronary vein carry deoxygenated blood to the heart. Internal morphology of heart. The heart is the four-chamber organ. The upper two chambers are called auricle, and the lower two chambers are called ventricles. The two auricles are separated from each other by a septum, called interauricular septum. Similarly, the two ventricles are separated from each other by a septum, called interventricular septum. Inside a normal heart, the blood flows only from upper chamber to lower chambers. That is, the auricles pump blood to the ventricles. Then ventricle pump the blood to the lungs and other part of the blood at high pressure. Thus, ventricles are more muscular than auricles. Among the two ventricles, left ventricle has to pump blood to all parts of the body at longer distance, while the right ventricle has to pump to the lungs at shorter distance. Thus, the left ventricles are more muscular than right ventricle. There are main four apertures or passages in the heart that end or start in the four chambers. The four heart chambers are the blood vessels which attach to them as follows. Right auricles or right atrium. The right auricle is the upper right chamber of the heart. It is responsible for collecting deoxygenated blood from all over the body. Altogether, three blood vessels end in the right atrium. They are superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, and the coronary sinus. All these blood vessels pour deoxygenated blood into the right atrium. The right auricle is bigger than the left auricle because it has to hold more volume of deoxygenated blood collected from all over the body. Left auricle. It is the upper left chamber of the heart. Two pairs of pulmonary veins, one pair from each lungs are connected to the left auricle. They carry purified or oxygenated blood. Right ventricle. It is the lower right chamber of the heart. Pulmonary arteries arise from the right ventricle and is connected to the lungs. It carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. It carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs for purification. Left ventricle. The left ventricle is the lower left chamber of the heart. It is the main pumping chamber. The largest artery called aorta arises from the left ventricle and carries the oxygenated blood away from the heart to all parts of the body. Fact with reason. How long can you live with no heartbeats? The heart of an average man beats approximately 70 times a minute. The heart of an average woman beats approximately 78 times a minute. The brain can survive for up to about 6 minutes after the heart stops.